In today's video, I'll show you how to replace the ink toner in your HP Color LaserJet Pro MFP M281fdw printer. So it's very easy. You just have to open the front door, push it down, and automatically it will come. So take it from here, take all the 4 ink toners out, and now we have to install the new ink toners. So I have the new ink toner here, so place it here. So chip should be facing up and the marking and color should match. So place it here. So it's very easy, you just have to place there. So all the 4 ink toners. Now slide it in and close this door. Wait for the ink system to work, and after some time you are ready to use this printer. So this way we can easily install or replace the ink toner in this printer. Thanks for watching.